Hi, my name is Elizabeth Brushak, and in this video I will demonstrate task analytic instruction, a method used to teach multi-step skills by breaking them down into smaller and more teachable or feasible steps. Overview begins with creating a task analysis, which is a list of every step in a complex skill written in the exact order it must be performed in. Some examples are hand washing, packing a backpack, tying shoes, making a snack, completing a class routine. And once the task is broken into steps, we will teach the skill step by step using prompting and reinforcement until the learner completes the entire chain independently. Materials needed. I'm going to demonstrate washing hands for this task. So you turn on the water, you wet your hands. Step 3, you pump the soap, scrub hands, rinse hands, turn off water, dry hands. And you will also need a sink, a reinforcer, and a data sheet. First, I'll give the general instruction. Wash your hands. As the learner completes each step, I observe whether they do it independently, with a prompt, or incorrectly or out of order. Step 1 is turn on the water. If the student hesitates, I give them a verbal prompt. Turn on the water. If necessary, I model or physically guide the movement. Wet hands. If they continue correctly, I allow them to proceed without interruption. Pump soap. If they forget, I give a gestural cue pointing to the soap. And then each step is reinforced naturally by continuing to the next part of the task. At the end, I give praise such as like, nice job washing your hands, or nice job completing all those. How did you feel doing it? And something like that. With the recording the data for this, it would be, you would have the step, independent, prompt, error, and then notes. And so like one of the ones that I could say is like, they did this independently, and then they like turned on the water independently, or did X amount of steps independently, and then like there was an error, but you can record the data like that. Task and analytic instruction can later be paired with forward chaining, backward chaining, and total task chaining, which we will talk about. And it's just very interesting to see a foundational method for teaching multi-step skills by breaking them into smaller components and supporting the learner step by step. And I think that it really includes all types of learning with any types of disabilities, because washing hands to someone might be completely different, and it is very important that we have ways to break that down for each student. Thank you.